Say something.
Something.
It is day number 2 of the Flea Market Knife Challenge. I'm going to be going out today looking for some material to make the blade out of. Yesterday I picked up this. That's going to be the pins for my handle. Also, I wanted to let everybody know that at the end of this challenge I'm going to be giving the knife away. I'll give the details of what you do to win at the end of this video. Here we go. Alright, so I am back on the hunt. Walking around looking for some more knife materials. We'll see. I got a place that I'm planning on going, see if they've got some metal I can use for the blade. It's cold out here, so a lot of the vendors aren't here today, but yeah, might be able to find something cool. Alright, so now I'm looking for a piece of metal. Let's see what I can find. Alright, so here I'm seeing a whole bunch of stuff that could make a knife, but nothing that really sticks out to me. So I think what I'm going to do is just keep on looking, and whenever I find what I'm looking for, I feel like I'll know it, and that'll be my knife.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
Yeah.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Oh, they're not coming to buy knives? Oh no.
We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright, so I am still on the hunt. It is actually a lot harder to find what I'm looking for here. Hello, this is Jason.
Sometimes you need to go.
So, anyway, yeah, so it was
Take a step back.
proving to be a lot harder than I thought it would be to find this material to make the knife.
We have different.
From a distance.
I'm going to keep on looking around. Just nothing's standing out to me. You know, whenever I see something that I want, that I feel like working with, it'll hit me, but until then, I really don't know. What's up?
Meant to be
Nothing.
in the great outdoors.
Anyway, I'm gonna keep looking around. If I find something, I'll put the camera back on.
You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
Alright, so I think I found something here that I can use. Here, I'll just show you. Alright. Is that $8?
Sometimes you need to go. Take a step back.
Alright, so went around today, got all of the material, almost all the material. Got the metal that I'm going to make the knife blade out of, and I have a backup just in case I screw that one up. May try to do something with this wood for the handle, but I doubt it. Probably what I'm going to do is come back next week and find some handle material. But yeah, looking forward to getting this one done. And this guy came all the way up here just so he could be in one of my videos, and he was sad that it wasn't. so at the beginning of this video, I said that I was going to tell you what you need to do in order to win the knife at the end of the challenge. And basically it's as simple as this. Go on to YouTube, copy the link to this video. You can share it on Instagram or Facebook, and then go into the comment section and write the word done. Whenever I finish up with the knife, I'm going to go through, put everybody's names into a randomizer, and whoever wins is going to get the knife mailed to them. No shipping, no charge. All I ask is that you send me a picture with you holding the knife, or stick it into a tree or something like that, and then it'll be yours. So I appreciate it, and I look forward to finishing up the challenge.